Everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a deposit. So you'll first go to www.cord.edu, and once you're to the home page, which this is the home page, you'll go to the right upper hand corner, and under admission we'll go to international students. So this is the international student page, and I recommend exploring it. There's lots of great information on it. The different facts about Fargo-Moorhead, and just different information that'll help you on your journey to becoming a COBber. But to make a deposit, we'll go to this drop-down menu at the top, and we will click on Accepted International Students. And once you're here, the second bullet point is Make Your Deposit, so you'll click on Deposit by Credit Card, and once you're here, you'll just fill out the form. You even get a t-shirt, which is exciting, and you will submit. Easy as that. If you have any questions, you can email us at intl@cord.edu.